Hey everyone, welcome back to another trading video from Indicator Vault. Are you tired of using those lagging indicators in your trading? Then I have got something exciting to share with you. Introducing the Better Oscillator Pro. This innovative indicator is designed to revolutionize your trading game and assist you in making more profitable trading decisions like never before. You see, traditional oscillators like MACD, RSI, or CCI have a major drawback, and this is they lag behind the market. By the time they generate a signal, a large part of the significant price move may have already happened, leaving you with a missed opportunity or even losses. That's where the Better Oscillator Pro steps in. Now, the Better Oscillator Pro is definitely worth a closer look. But before we begin, I want to ask you to show your support by hitting that like button and also subscribe and turn on the bell enabling notifications to stay up to date with our future videos. Let's start by looking at an example. Currently on the chart, we have the euro against the US dollar on the 4-hour time frame. Firstly, it doesn't matter whether the market is trending or moving sideways, the indicator empowers you to identify optimal entry and exit points with remarkable accuracy. Additionally, on the chart for our first example, I have attached a copy of the standard MACD or moving average convergence divergence indicator. And what we can see from it is that because of the lagging nature of the indicator, they haven't crossed yet, meaning they haven't produced a signal for entry. All of this means is that the Better Oscillator Pro represents a superior cutting-edge oscillator that significantly surpasses traditional oscillators in terms of precision. Now it is important that we need to wait for the candle to close to confirm the signal and the analysis. And once the candle has closed, we can enter our buy trade. And for this buy trade example, I'm simply going to enter the values provided by the indicator and let it play out. Additionally, the Better Oscillator Pro offers you these options of where to place your stop loss and take profit as provided by the indicator on the chart. Of course, you are free to use these stop loss and take profit levels as suggestions or a starting point and then tweak them to fit your own unique trading approach. The stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator are automatically calculated using the ATR or average true range, and these values shown can also be adjusted under the settings of the indicator, making it super versatile. Next, let's take a look at another trading example and why the Better Oscillator Pro surpasses traditional indicators. On the chart this time, we have the US dollar against the Japanese yen on the hourly time frame. And for this example, I'm going to add the moving average ribbon as we'll be looking for trend continuation entries. And you'll see after attaching the moving average ribbon to your chart, head over to its settings. And under the inputs, we are going to change each of the moving average types from SMA to EMA for the 4 different moving averages that build the ribbon. So what we can see from this example is that we are currently trending above the moving average ribbon, meaning we are in an uptrend and looking for a buy trade to continue with the trend. Meaning during uptrends, rely on the Better Oscillator Pro to generate low-risk entries during pullbacks, presenting us with an ideal risk-to-reward ratio. Now, as before, it is important that we need to wait for the candle to close to confirm the signal. And once the candle has closed, we can enter our buy trade with the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator. Now, one of the best aspects of the indicator is thanks to our proprietary minimal or no lag algorithm, the Better Oscillator Pro constantly acts as a leading indicator, accurately indicating market turning points and frequently revealing highs, lows, and divergences well advance of price movements. Now that we have covered 2 buy trades, let's take a look at the other side of the spectrum with a sell or short trade example. This time on the chart, I have selected the British pound against the US dollar on the 5-minute time frame. Now, it is important for trend trading that we observe price action closely, and we'll see that we have crossed the ribbon and now should only be looking for short trade entries. And once the Better Oscillator Pro has identified a sell position away from the ribbon, we can enter our sell trade with the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator. Now, let's delve into another way of using the Better Oscillator Pro, which, according to my research, excels as a supreme indicator for identifying divergence and recognizing trend reversals. Let's take a look at an example. On the chart, we have Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and here we can observe a bullish divergence between price and the Better Oscillator Pro. A bullish divergence refers to a situation where the price of an asset forms a lower low or equal low, while the indicator forms a higher low. This creates a divergence between the price and the indicator, suggesting a potential bullish reversal or weakening of the prevailing bearish trends. Now, this divergence indicates also the exhaustion of the current trend and foreshadows an imminent trend reversal. What all of this means is, once the candle has closed confirming the divergence, we can enter our trade. For this trade example, I'm going to enter my trade with the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator and let it play out. Next, let's take a look at another trading example. However, this time we'll be focusing on a bearish divergence using our Better Oscillator Pro. This time on the chart, I have selected the USD CAD on the 15-minute time frame. And from price action, we can see that the market was forming higher highs and higher lows above the moving average ribbon. Additionally, we get a sell signal from the Better Oscillator Pro showing an end to the uptrend and a potential bearish reversal. In simple terms, a bearish divergence occurs when the price of an asset forms a higher high or equal high while the indicator is showing a lower high. This creates a divergence between the price and the indicator, suggesting a potential bearish reversal or a weakening of the prevailing bullish trend. The idea behind it as a bearish divergence is that the indicates a shift in market sentiment, indicating that selling pressure may be increasing and a potential downward price movement could follow. All this means is once our second sell signal closes confirming the divergence, we can enter the sell trade. And for the sell trade example, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator and let it play out. While the trade plays out, what truly excites me is that several of these trades that we have executed using the Better Oscillator Pro yielded significant gains like this one, showing us this remarkable indicator is not only highly effective but also remarkably versatile because it seamlessly adapts to different time frames, allowing you to capture profits whether you prefer quick scalp wins or playing the long game. Next, let's take a look at another trading example using the Better Oscillator Pro to identify divergences in the market. On the chart this time, we have Tesla on the 15-minute time frame, and from price action, we see a bullish divergence between price and the Better Oscillator Pro. This divergence between the price and the indicator is suggesting a potential bullish continuation after this pullback in price. Again, we need to wait until the candle has closed to confirm the divergence before we can enter our trade. For this trade example, I'm going to enter my buy trade with the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator. Now you will notice by recognizing these divergences in a timely manner, we can enter trades with confidence using the Better Oscillator Pro. You here have a powerful tool to identify divergences, recognize trend reversals, and make well-timed trading decisions. Now, to take advantage of the Better Oscillator Pro and enhance your trading experience, visit our website. I would recommend to take a closer look at our TV Champ membership, where you'll gain access to all our custom indicators for TradingView and all future releases. If you want to dive deeper into these indicators and learn more, head over to our YouTube channel, which will provide you with insights and tutorials. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.